Hi, I'm Larry Chernoff from MTI. I'm here to show a frame generation generative AI solution, mostly used for film restoration, where film frames have been removed or slugs put in. So here, let me show you the first iteration, which is a jump cut, where a frame is missing. And I'll start off by going to show you the actual jump cut itself. Here I'm just going to mark the frame before the jump cut, tell it how many frames I would like to create, mark the whole shot, analyze it, and that's all I need to do. I'll back it up. Here it is before the fix. Where's the jump cut right there? And here's the fix. One more time. Here's the jump cut. Here's the fix. Now there's another problem that occurs. You might want to come back to this beautiful face. There's another problem that occurs, which is a slug. A slug might be 2, 3, 4 frames in the middle of a shot, as an example. So here's a solution that we came up with. So we tell the first thing we do is we tell the application that we are doing a slug, and there's the slug itself. So I want to mark that. I want to say, here's the beginning of the slug, here's the end of the slug. I then mark the shot itself and tell it what kind of fix I want to do. I go ahead and analyze it. Let's go backwards to show you the slug again, just so we kind of have a sense of where it is. And here's the fix. So again, here's the slug, here's the fix. And if that's too good, please let me know and I'll make sure to make it worse.